Guys, I'm actually blown away. Please, if you have any of the coins in this video, I highly recommend selling them as quickly as possible. I've never seen prices like this on brand new quarters before in my life. I think the market is in a very weird area where people are spending way too much money on these coins that are brand new. I can nearly guarantee that over time, these coins are going to go down in value. Obviously, this is not financial advice. There's no way I can predict that, but I've been around long enough to know that this is not sustainable, but we're going to take advantage of it because this is the reality of how much they're selling for. And if you have one of these quarters, you could be potentially making a lot of money. So keep your eyes peeled for these quarters, but let's hop into this video. So this person right here has sold a good amount of these coins. So what you need to know here is that this person, when these coins were first produced, he sent them off to NGC to get the first release label. And these coins are simply selling for $900. So here's something to keep an eye out for. So this one had a best offer accepted of $900. So it probably sold for anywhere between $700 to $800, which is crazy for this coin. As you can see, there's an error on the back of the coin and on the front top of this coin. For some reason, every time I see these coins being sold online, they're selling for a lot of money. You need to be careful that there could be some listings on eBay that are not true. They could be fake listings where they put up the listing and then have their friend buy it so it inflates the value of the market. I don't know if that's the case exactly, but I'm always suspicious if a seller has a lower feedback score, so just be careful. I highly advise against buying something like this, as I don't personally see the value going up, but I could be completely wrong. But I have a pretty strong feeling that they won't go up in value. But if you have a coin like this, I highly recommend getting rid of it, sell it as quickly as possible. Here's another first day of issue coin. This one has a population of 1, so there is no coin graded higher than this one. And this guy has been selling them at just under $1,000 at $995. So this guy got a bunch of new coins, sent them off first day of issue, and he's selling them for this much money. Wait, 90% of you that watch the videos are still not subscribed. So you better subscribe right now so we can keep the lights on. Wait, no, I was kidding. So this coin sold this year. The best offer, he had the price up for $1,000. He took a best offer of $625. It looks like the person who bought the coin had buyer's remorse and he canceled the order. Later, he went ahead and sold it another $1,000 or best offer. He took $345.30. Now, sure, that's not $1,000, but that is a crazy amount of money for a quarter, $345. So I'm gonna throw up some pictures of what exactly you need to be looking out for on your quarter. If you have this quarter, let me know down in the comments below, but what I would do is just sell it as quickly as possible because these are bringing so much money, guys. Again, here's another example. There was a best offer accepted. The original sale price was $1,049, but he took his best offer. This is considered to be a CUD die break. Now, again, the market is in a very strange place. I don't know why these are selling for so much money, but that's just what's happening. So this is no different than any other coin that has a die break with a CUD. I don't really value these coins very highly, but there are people out there that obviously are. So just keep your eyes peeled for any coin like this. So this is a strange one. So this one sold for over $2,500. This person is saying that he has a ghost comet tail. This is exactly the type of stuff that you need to be looking out for and being careful of, because there are people out there that are going to start making up their own types of errors and calling them like they're one of a kind or they're super, super rare, when in reality they're not. There may be someone who wanted to pay over $2,500 for this coin, but maybe they were misled or they just didn't understand what they were buying. This person has good feedback, which is questionable because I think this is just way too much money for a brand new coin. The thing is, in 5, 10, 20 years, who's really going to want to pay this much money for one little quarter? Regardless of the fact, if you have a coin like this and you can put it on eBay and it's a true, genuine error, then it's going to be worth a lot of money. It might be worth sending your coin off to get graded to be authenticated as an error, but I don't feel too good about this one that sold for $2,500. YouTube does a great job at knowing exactly what video you want to watch, and they put it on the screen right now. So go ahead and click on that video and I'll see you on the inside.